Need to replace or cancel a working order? In this quick tutorial, we will go over how to replace and then cancel a working order in the desktop trading platform. First, locate the working order. You can view working orders in 3 different ways. In the Positions tab, if you have the Working Orders filter enabled. In the Activity tab, just make sure you're not filtering out working orders. And in the Orders panel, inside the Overview tab of the right-hand sidebar. Again, just make sure you have the Working Orders filter enabled. Wherever you see your working order, you can quickly edit the order by right-clicking on it and selecting Replace Order. After clicking Replace Order, you will return to the Trade tab, and an order ticket will appear below. There, you can adjust the price. After adjusting, click Review and Send. Here, you can review your order to see which account the replacement order will route through. Below the account details, you can review the position and the order action. In this case, BTC and STC stand for Buy to Close and Sell to Close for each leg. Additionally, you can view the selected account stock and options buying power. The type of order, which is a net debit since we're closing a short vertical spread. The time in force, the estimated trade cost, the total commission and estimated fees for the order, and the estimated buying power effect. Lastly, if you want to make any changes to your order, then click Edit Order and you'll return back to the order ticket. Or if you're having second thoughts, click Clear Order. When you're ready to send the order, click Send Order. A notification will appear on the top left corner of the platform indicating the original order is canceled and the new order is working. When the order fills, a notification will appear in the same place. Or, if you're having second thoughts altogether, you can cancel the working order. To cancel a working order, locate the working order anywhere in the platform and right-click on it. Then, select Cancel Order. Your order will cancel, and a notification will appear on the top left corner of the platform confirming your cancellation.